Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app and Xianyu or Idlefish Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you how to place your order on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app and Idlefish Chinese shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, Idlefish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So just like what you see on my screen right here, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp from my YouTube channel asking me to make payments for them on Pinduoduo and Xianyu Chinese shopping app, and I decided to make a video about it and show you how to place order on Pinduoduo and Xianyu Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to go ahead now and proceed with the product link. So this particular product right here, I'm going to use it as an example. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my Pinduoduo product link. Allow the link to load up just like what you see right here. So this product here, I'm going to use it as an example and show you how we actually place order. Once you load up the product link, first thing first, make sure you add the product to cart, and for that, go ahead and click on here to add the product to cart. Then after you have successfully added the product to cart, click on here to go back, and it's going to take you to home page right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to your profile. Then here we go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to open up your cart. So all the products you have in your cart is going to be found right there, just like what you see right here. So I'm placing order for all these products. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to check on this. So click on here to select this. Click on here to select this. Click on here to select this. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. So from the checkout right here, you can review and check all the products right here, just like what you see right here. Lastly, come down below right here and choose your means of payment. In this tutorial, I'm using my Alipay. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payments. Lastly, I will go ahead and enter my payment password to complete the payments. Payment done successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. So I'm going to screenshot the proof of payment. Then I'll go ahead and click on done right here, or down below right here, click on done. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to close this pump up. And I have to go back to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the product we just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So just like what you see right here, you can see all the products right here. We have successfully placed order on Pinduoduo. Lastly, I will go ahead and send proof of payment to the person that asked me to pay for them on my WhatsApp right here. So I'm going to go ahead. You can see the product picture right here. You can see everything right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here and then click on my gallery, select proof of payment and say order placed now. It's that simple. So next thing we want to do is to check out on how we can place order on Xianyu Chinese shopping app right here. So let's find out how you place order. I'm going to click on app. So the product link is going to load up and open up in the app. Just like what you see right here. So you can see the product description right here and the product picture. This is exactly what I'm going to use as an example. So we can click on here. This will allow us to see more product picture right here, just like so. Now, the next thing we want to do is to go ahead and place order. And for that, what we want to do is to go ahead and click on here. So you can see my chat with this store right here. So I have already contacted them and chat with them about the product. Then for us to place order, what we want to do is to go ahead and click on here. So just like what you see right here, I'm paying the sum of 198 yuan to purchase this product. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. So allow the Alipay to connect. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment using my Alipay. Then enter my payment password. So just like what you see right here, payment done successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to screenshot the proof of payment right here. After you make a screenshot, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and so after you make a screenshot, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here. Then you can see now that I have successfully placed order for this product right here from our chat. So you can see the proof that the order have been successfully placed for. And for you to see the order you just paid for on Xianyu, you have to make sure you go back and continue to go back. Then go ahead and click on your profile icon. Then go ahead and click on here. So just like so, we have the product we just paid for right here. Lastly, I will go ahead and send a proof of payment to the person that asked me to pay for them on Xianyu on my WhatsApp. So I'm going to exit from Xianyu right here and come back to my WhatsApp and then click on here. Then select my gallery, select proof of payment and say order place now. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to ship or import products from China using Xianyu Chinese shopping app or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay your Chinese supplier on Xianyu app, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.